Hi, welcome to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. I haven't posted in a while. Things have been changing in my life lately, and I'm a couple of weeks away from retiring, so I'm excited about it. I'm excited about dedicating more time to the art and just a more creative life in my rhythm. I don't know what that will be, but let's just see. I guess that's what I'm planning to do. I'm just planning to see what happens. The one thing I am dedicating my time to is bringing it to the next level. Now for me, bringing it to the next level relates to my art and my life in general, taking better care of myself, trying to paint and draw more complex subjects, trying to draw portraits, not do portraits, but do people, get a likeness, just all kinds of things that I haven't taken the time to do because I've been feeling rushed in my life, you know, working full time and taking care of a household and so on and so forth. You guys know what I'm talking about. So now's the time. If not now, when? So I'm gonna start and probably continue with a lot of sketchbook art. The goal of the sketchbook art is to practice and to learn and not be afraid of it not being perfect, but to just do it. So this is the first in hopefully a series of sketchbook exercises. So here we go. Get your paints, get your sketchbook. Let's get going and bring it to the next level.